How to fix Wi-Fi icon missing from taskbar in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi icon missing from the taskbar in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go and search for taskbar. Once you've searched for the taskbar, you need to go with taskbar settings and it will take you to the taskbar settings, right? So once you're under the taskbar, which will be under your personalization, you need to scroll down and here you will have other system tray icons, or you may also have an option of turn system icons on or off. If you're using a Windows 10, you just need to simply go with it. And here you need to search for Wi-Fi, and once you search for Wi-Fi, you need to go and turn it on. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi option, then it will be available on your system tray. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is right click on your taskbar and you need to go with the task manager. Under Task Manager, you need to find a process which is Windows Explorer. So scroll down and then find the Windows Explorer. Here you will have the Windows Explorer. You may also have the folder option under your Windows Explorer. So once you find your Windows Explorer, you just need simply click on it and you will have Restart Task, which is on the top right, and you need to restart the task. Once you've restarted, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can right click on your Windows, go with Run, and under Run, you need to enter gpedit.msc and hit the enter. And it will open up the Group Policy Editor. Go with Administrative Templates. Under Administrative Templates, you will have Start Menu and Taskbar. Just go with it. Just click on the Start Menu and Taskbar. And here, you will have an option of removing the networking option. Here you will have remove network connection from the start menu. So you just need simply double click on it. Once you double click on it, here you need to go with disabled and then go with apply and OK. And after doing that, you just need simply go and restart your computer. After restarting, your problem might be. So that's how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon missing from your taskbar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.